There is a world-class original ecological tourism belt hidden in the west of Guangxi, which is also a good place for summer vacation and adventure. This video takes you to check in at Guangxi's unique Cliff Tent Hotel. 1466 tired nights of summer, like a cup of handmade lemon, cool and refreshing. The average temperature is about 24 degrees, and it has stunning mountains and waters. Check in several must-see attractions along the way. This travel guide is a bit long. It is recommended to like and collect it slowly. The first stop is to check in at the Boliu River Fairy Bridge. In Boliu River, you can give yourself to the mountain breeze, which can blow away the fatigue of the journey, and the green eyes will heal your body and mind. Walk through the huge Boliu curtain and watch the fairy bridge, full of mythology. The unique scenery is surprising. The second stop is to check in at Luomei Lotus Cave. The cave integrates high-tech applications such as sound, light, electricity, 3D water curtain, movie fountain, etc. In the cave, the induction light illuminated the karst stone in the shape of a unicorn. This is the only stone with a name in the cave. Turning around, it was bright. It turned out that there was a large cave entrance diagonally above. The small one next to the large cave entrance was the passage that the tourists just entered. A stone pot was enclosed in a fence. It is said to be a saltpeter refining pool used by the ancients. Next to the Lianxiao pool is still a downward karst cave. The cave is a bit narrow and the top is very low. You need to bend down slightly to prevent hitting your head. Continue walking. The cave becomes wider and decorated with lights. At the end of the cave hall, there is skylight coming in, passing through the semicircular hole between several stone pillars and appearing at the end of the plank road. It is not the end yet. The semicircle, just seen, is only a small part of the cave entrance. Thinking of the real cave entrance, we have to continue walking down. A section of the plank road we passed was originally an underground river. Due to crustal movement and other reasons, the river was diverted and the river water receded, leaving only messy gravel, lying dryly on the ancient riverbed. Not far away, there is a sign leaning on the side, which reads 1314 above sea level. The number of a lifetime is very symbolic in the cave with dry rivers and chaotic rocks. The third stop is to check in at the Destination 1466 camp. 12 tents for camping and exploring the pit, 1 camp and 1 bathroom. The 360-degree viewing platform designed outside the tent is equipped with tables, chairs, camping lights, hand-ground coffee, and other outdoor items. The 2-meter by 2-meter bed can accommodate a family of 2 adults and 1 child. This small world of 40 square meters is private and comfortable, with a rare sense of belonging. Living in this beautiful scenery, we don't want to miss the sunset in the west and the morning when the sun rises in the east. 1,000 yuan for accommodation, including the Dashiwei Pass. Do you think it's expensive to stay on such a cliff for 1 night? Yunhai Tianzhou stands on the cliff with an altitude of 1,466 meters on the west peak of Dashiwei Tiankeng. It is 613 meters above the bottom of the Tiankeng, and the platform is 34 meters long, like a dragon sticking out its tongue. The Dashiwei Tiankeng glass viewing platform is the highest viewing platform in the world. Overlooking the second deepest Tiankeng in the world, the tourist overlook allows guests to look down the side of one of the tallest sheer cliff drops in the world at over 500 meters. Only discovered in 1998, the Dashiwei Sinkhole is one of just 75 such depressions in the entire world, with approximately 50 of them located in central China. Most Tiankengs have rivers at the bottom that travel between underground caves. The deep hole formed when the river gouged out the rock surroundings above, leaving a spectacular void 600 meters long and 420 meters wide with a height of between 511 and 613 meters. 1466 Camp also arranges free exploration of Shenmu Tiankeng for each of the partners staying there. This is the only Tiankeng in Dashiwei that can be walked to the bottom of the Tiankeng without any exploration tools. After passing a mysterious and ancient Shenmu ancient village, you can walk slowly down to reach the bottom of the Tiankeng. The Tiankeng was formed in the dense primeval forest billions of years ago. The origin of plants is ancient, and there are many rare species. Walking in the air conditioning of nature, the body and mind are extremely light. The 50-meter rapid descent of the Baidong Tianqing Brave Game is in contact with the ground plane at a negative distance. Slide vertically down the cliff to experience a screaming journey. Are you ready for such a trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing locations around the world.